I'm just on the way down to the orchard, guys, and this is the lane. If I spin you around, it's quite narrow. I can get the van down just with about 1.5 inches to spare, but just recently this wall was kind of bulging out a bit, so they're having it repaired. So it's going to be quite a big job. That'll be interesting to see how that turns out. See that cat quite a lot actually. Wouldn't surprise me as it keeps crapping on my plot. There we are, guys. There's a bramble there. Yeah, it's all dormant, isn't it, really? I actually came down yesterday for a quick look and at the elephant garlic again, and hopefully you can see that now it's coming through really well. I think probably have to wait a bit longer before I can tell if everyone's fired, although it does look that way really, so that's good. I've got some really nice leeks coming as well. I'm going to be lifting a few of those probably next week. Some really nice ones. Look at this one here. Yeah. So there's nothing really. I need to just clean that where those Monch 2 were. Pull that out and just pull some of the weed out, really. But other than that, there's not a lot going on, really. We've emptied this bay with firewood, so hopefully when we get a bit of dry, frosty weather, ideally, I'm going to go and get some more firewood and fill that back up again. But other than that, I've got some. I might try and plant a few more of these trees over the winter as well, so that's another idea I've got, plan. And of course I would just want to, although to be honest with you, this row of flags here, I just chucked them in so they're not straight or anything level. I need to get them sorted out, but there's no big sweat. I'll probably wait till spring when it's dried up a bit and do that then. So now I'm gonna have a walk over to my old council plot. They've got some. They've been cutting the hedge, and I want to get some big sycamore poles for bean poles. So I'll see you over there. So you can see they've been cutting the hedge there. So I think they're coming back next week to finish it. You can see that, hopefully you can see there's still a lot there on sort of the inside of the hedge, if you will, rather than the lane. Anyway, but what I'm after is some of these. These are going to make good bean poles with sycamore. So I'll only get one season out of them. But, they'll probably be 10 foot long, so I'm going to get about 8 of those and take them back over to the orchard. Well, that's it. I forgot my loppers, so I'll have to tidy them up another time. At least they're here now. Anyway, that's the main thing. Got my pea net removed, so at some point, so just could do with a bit of dry weather really. Everything's absolutely wringing wet through. We've got another amber rain warning for tonight, extending into Monday I believe. We could get 2 months worth of rain in 2 days, so I'm not looking forward to that. But yeah, we can get this tidied up at some point anyway. It's just really looking around and just little maintenance jobs. My petrol strimmer's part of the fuel line's rotted away, so that needs to be repaired. Just looking down here behind this hazel, you can see there's some brambles and stuff in there, so I want to get in and clean those out, and maybe just trim a little bit this hazel back. There's this is just here's a sucker from this damson, so I would like to see if I can dig it out with a bit of root on, plant that. It's over, must be 7 foot tall now, but so I don't know how successful I'll be. Well, I'll try anyway and plant it in the food hedge. So guys, little update on this wall. It's the 20th of December. You can see the repair's going really quite nicely. They've got the A-frames up and everything, and the string lines out. Nice looking job. So hopefully they might get it finished before Christmas, possibly, I don't know, but it's certainly going to improve things. So hopefully I'll be able to show you the finished thing at some point. Right guys, it's 22nd of December. We've got a little bit of sun this morning, which is a welcome relief from all the incessant bloody rain we've been having. It's been terrible this month. Anyway, I've come down to get some leeks to give to my old mate Ken, who is site rep for the allotment site where I used to have my allotment. It's just round the block really, so I'll get a few out and see what they're like. Right, got about 5, I think there's 5 there, and I'll tell you what, they are half decent leeks. Good length of nice white stem. I'll get them washed off and I'll bring them back to you again. Yeah, so let me know what you think guys. How do they compare to yours? I mean, yeah, they're not the thickest of leeks, of course. They're not meant to be in a show or anything like that, but it's variety Musselburgh. I've been growing them for well over 30 years, so I'm very happy with those. I'll go and drop them off now at Ken's house. I think I'll, over the Christmas period, I can feel a chicken leek and mushroom, or a turkey and leek pie or something coming on. Well, that's it for this one guys. In fact, that's the last video for this year, 2025. So do have a very happy Christmas, and I'm going to wish you all the best for 2026 now. So hopefully there'll be more videos coming in the new year. So thanks as always for watching. I do appreciate your support, and if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button, and take care. See you next year. Bye for now.